An upgraded version of the Xiaomi Mi M365, the world's most popular entry-level scooter, has recently become available in the United States. The upgraded version is the Xiaomi M365 Pro. Though it looks nearly identical to the original, the Pro is slightly larger all around. It has a stem that is about a half-inch taller, handlebars that are a half-inch wider, and a larger deck that is 2 inches longer and a half-inch wider. The wider handlebars, taller stem, and larger deck puts you in a more comfortable riding position. The larger deck stores a 474 watt-hour battery pack. This is 70% larger than the original. Due to the larger frame and battery pack, the Pro weighs 31 pounds. This is 4 pounds more than the original M365, but makes the scooter only slightly more difficult to carry. Much of the original M365 design, including accelerator, tires, brakes, and folding mechanism, remain the same. A welcomed addition to the Pro is an LED display that shows speed, battery capacity, mode, lights, Bluetooth connection, and error status. Overall, the new Xiaomi M365 Pro scooter is a welcomed improvement on the original. Thanks for checking out this Xiaomi M365 Pro first look video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the complete in-depth Xiaomi Pro review.